Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a loss of negative 13.43%. This amounts to an average loss of negative 2.24% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 22% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging between negative 30.56% and negative 0.429%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 87.03%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 72.18% and 291.5% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $453.29 and $1,030.66. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock upgraded to sell candidate. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price experienced a gain of approximately 0.27% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, rising from $262.55 to $263.26. It has now seen gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether it continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 6.56%, with a daily low of $253.76 and a daily high of $270.41. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 9.67% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 472,000 shares, with a total of 14 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.61 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $542.99, while the lowest price was $101. Currently, the stock price stands at 51.52%, or $279.73, below the 52-week high of $542.99, which is also the all-time high for this stock. MicroStrategy, trading under the symbol MSTR, has been experiencing considerable volatility recently. On the 10th of March, MSTR shares fell by more than 10%, primarily driven by broader market turbulence and pressure on Bitcoin prices, indicating investor unease with the cryptocurrency's stability. Current projections suggest a potential recovery, with analysts recommending a bear call spread in MSTR that could yield a 24% return by mid-April. Presently, MicroStrategy ranks 29th in its industry group, highlighting a competitive but challenging landscape. The company's recent stock movements have been exacerbated by concerns surrounding imminent Bitcoin purchases amid ongoing volatility. Additionally, interest has surged due to an upcoming crypto summit hosted by former President Trump, which may provide new regulatory insights and influence market sentiment regarding cryptocurrencies. In the short term, MSTR's stock may remain affected by external market conditions and fluctuations in Bitcoin's price, potentially deterring risk-averse investors. However, if the crypto summit leads to favorable outcomes for the crypto industry, we could witness a rebound in MSTR's valuation as optimism returns. In the long run, MicroStrategy's adoption of Bitcoin as a central asset could prove beneficial if regulatory environments stabilize and Bitcoin's price recovers, positioning them as a significant player in the evolving digital asset landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned a buy grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen just over 10%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been identified. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite rising prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $275.07 and $307.88. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $250.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock can exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $16.65 between its high and low, representing a shift of 6.56%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 11.31%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It is not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $275.15. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $250.92. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of December, 2024, Xiao Weiming conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 21st of January, 2025, Greg Winiarski conducted an insider purchase of 3,709 shares of director stock options, which grants the right to buy. On the same day, Greg Winiarski also conducted an insider purchase of 2,745 shares of restricted stock units. On the 21st of January, 2025, Jane A. Dietz conducted an insider purchase of 3,709 shares of director stock options. On the same day, Jane A. Dietz also conducted an insider purchase of 2,745 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.835. In total, insiders purchased 378,660 shares and sold 725,914 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated shows several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock remains negative. We have revised our analytical conclusion for this stock since the previous evaluation, upgrading it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 14th of March, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by approximately 78.5 cents, starting trading at $262.48. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.